So in this video, I'm breaking down why you shouldn't move out just yet. And I'm giving you the stuff no one wants to tell you about moving out. So before you sign the lease, make sure you watch this video all the way to the end. Let's start with the biggest one, money. You're not just paying rent. An initial move out costs 2 times more than the rent that you look at Zillow. There's all these hidden costs up front. Security deposit, utility setup fees, hiring movers, furniture, grocery costs, the Wi-Fi installation. These are just some of the few things that you have to consider when moving out. It adds up really quickly. Before you even realize it, you have negative $12 in your bank account. And there's reoccurring costs as well, such as groceries, gas, car maintenance, random Target runs. Because I've had to experience that myself. The reality hits when your parents aren't paying for those stuff anymore. Second thing, no one's gonna look after you. And what do I mean by this? You're now the chef. You're now the cleaner. You're now the laundry guy. You iron the clothes by yourself now. You're taking out the trash. All those things that your parents used to do for you, you're doing it yourself now. And you have to realize that fact. And let's be honest here, most people don't wanna cook, they don't wanna clean the dishes, but you're gonna have to do that unless you outsource it. That's a topic for another video. You start to realize that you're doing all the work yourself. You start to realize that it's a shit ton just to make the place look clean. The chores seem pretty simple, but it mentally drains you. And third thing too is accountability. The hardest part about living alone is being accountable for yourself. No one's gonna wake up for you when you go to class or go to work. No one's gonna remind you to take out the trash. And no one's gonna remind you that rent is due and you have to pay the bills. And no one's gonna motivate you to work on that side hustle, work on your YouTube channel, or go to the gym. No one's gonna remind you to do that. That's all gonna be you. A fourth thing is you're your own chef. When you live at home, you don't realize how nice it is to have a nice full meal when you get home from school. But the moment you move out of your parents' house, oh wait, there's no meal waiting for you. You have to do that shit yourself. You have to plan meals, grocery shop, cook, clean the dishes, and managing that time so that you could do other things as well. And guess what? If you don't feel like cooking, you're gonna have that incentive to eat out and DoorDash. If you don't plan these things ahead, you'll not only waste time, but you'll also waste money as well. Living alone and moving out of your parents' house, you'll feel that sense of responsibility for how you eat and how you feel. And what you put into your body is what you produce out. So yes, there's a lot of benefits when moving out of your parents' house, but there's also some downsides as well. The money, the chores, the cleaning, the cooking, and the accountability to show up to work. And those things, in my opinion, are the best and the hardest part about moving out. Before moving out of your parents' house and living independently, just make sure you take these things into consideration and watch out for that. With freedom and being on your own, it comes with a price tag. And I've experienced this freedom and moved out of my parents' house for a full year. So comment down below if you find this content informative and let us know if you moved out of your parents' house or not.